Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Portman Ridge Finance Corporation, and let me tell you, it's a bit like finding out your friend who always brags about their investments is actually just really good at hiding their losses. Intrigued? Then stick around. In this video, we'll break down Portman Ridge's latest financial results, peel back the layers of their investment strategy, and see if their performance matches the hype. We're going to be looking at the quarter ending in March of this year to see how they're doing. Before we dive in, if you appreciate getting straight insights from corporate documents, make sure you're subscribed. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can chat about this report and others. So first things first, this is an 8K filing, which is basically a corporate report. Companies use these to announce significant events that could affect their investors. This one is dated May 8 of this year. The main reason for this filing is to announce their financial results for the first quarter, which ended in March. The company released a press release and made available a supplemental investor presentation about these results. We're going to dig into this information. The company has included two exhibits in this report. One is the press release and the second is an investor presentation. Let's move on to the more interesting parts that came out of these documents and presentation. Portman Ridge Finance Corporation trades on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol PTMN. Keep this in mind if you want to check the stock price during the video. Now, before we dive into the numbers, let's understand what Portman Ridge actually does. They're a business development company, or BDC, meaning they invest in small and medium-sized companies. Think of them as a bank that specializes in lending to companies that might not qualify for traditional loans. So their performance is a reflection of how well those smaller companies are doing and how smart Portman Ridge is at picking winners. Let's delve into the numbers and see how they're performing. Let's get to the part everyone's been waiting for, the financial results. Unfortunately, this filing is just announcing the press release and the investor presentation and doesn't include any financial tables. Therefore, we cannot dissect the financial situation directly from this form. We will have to rely on external sources. Portman Ridge's financial performance for the first quarter, ending in March, shows some positive signs. They reported a net investment income of $3.8 million. Net investment income basically means the money they made from their investments after deducting their expenses. This translated to 23 cents per share. The company's total investment income was $15.3 million. This is the total amount of income generated from their investment portfolio. From what we can gather, the report paints a picture of a company navigating a complex economic landscape. Their ability to maintain a positive net investment income is crucial for continuing to pay dividends and attract investors. Now that we've looked at the financials, let's discuss some of the factors that might affect Portman Ridge's future. Now, keep in mind this report is furnished, not filed. That means they are not held legally liable under Section 18 of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. Tested when I take on Portman Ridge Finance Corporation after looking at this filing. Well, on one hand, the company seems to be holding its own in a challenging environment. They have positive net investment income and they are still trading on the Nasdaq. On the other hand, it's important to remember that BDCs are inherently risky. Their success depends on the performance of the small and medium-sized businesses they invest in, and any economic downturn could hit those businesses hard. Additionally, the fact that this is a furnished report should bring cause for concern. Overall, Portman Ridge is a company with potential, but it's not without its risks. Investors need to do their own research and carefully consider their risk tolerance before investing. Alright, that's our breakdown of Portman Ridge's latest filing. What's your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.